Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
class.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Jay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Beta.
Ma'am, today only this much student will enter the class.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
Only?
This much
This
students
much
will
will be
enter
there.
the class.
Seriously, only 5 of you will be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. We are very well in completing the work.
Yes, ma'am.
कितना क्या बोलता है इसको, कितनी आयरनी है ये, है कि नहीं?
Ma'am, in the last class also this much were there and the previous one also like very low.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, व्हाट डू यू फील, ये वाली क्लास कम बच्चों वाली ज्यादा अच्छी होती है कि ज्यादा बच्चों वाली ज्यादा अच्छी होती है?
मैम कम बच्चों वाली.
कम बच्चों।
I completely agree with you people. I
Yes, ma'am.
completely agree.
Simple and calm.
Because we know we are able to interact with each other in a very relaxed manner. Otherwise तो इतने सारे बच्चे होते समझ में नहीं आता है. And especially when you have when we have combined classes, like yesterday we had combined class, all the 3 sections together. I was not able to trace out who is where,
Yes, ma'am.
but still chalo. You people have completed your work.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm
Done
sent
now.
for submission also.
Sent for
Completed all my work.
Oh, I submitted
Yes,
yesterday
ma'am.
only.
Submitted.
very good. What Yash, you were saying something, beta?
Ma'am, right now I have completed all my work.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am. And my notebook, like nobody is at my home, so Kamini ma'am will only give my notebook.
Okay, I told you always take help of your friends. So
And
what?
ma'am,
Yes, Naina.
ma'am, yesterday after 12:40, Malaswali they came to my house and like they went 4 o'clock on 4 o'clock. Like
Acha.
we were doing. Yes, ma'am. We 3 of us we completed the work with like together only, and then after coaching at 5 or at 6 o'clock they again come, and at 7:30 they again went.
Re Baba re, this much of written. See, so I think. Excuse me.
Ma'am,
I think.
for the sudden date of submission, that's why. Otherwise, I have planned to complete my work till 30th June.
Yes,
I know. See,
And then
actually,
suddenly after.
you people must have learned a lesson that always be updated with the work that you are given.
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of
We
leaving.
every time learn a lesson and then forget it.
Yes,
Yes.
every time. Every time what?
Ma'am, we every time learn this same lesson and then forget it.
Exactly. This is what, no, like the other day I was telling my son also. मैंने कहा देखो बेटा, like he was like कि मम्मा आपने तो सही कहा था, देखो सब कॉपीज मांग रहे हैं. तो मैंने कहा I told you कि भाई notebooks तो teachers are going to ask for it, but then like for few of the chapters, like few of the subjects he could not complete his work. So I told him तुम कर लो जितना मर्जी तुमको नेस्ती करनी है. मैंने कहा पर टाइम ऐसा भी आएगा that you will be sitting all day long to complete your work. तो he was like आप कितने अंतर्यामी हो, आपको कैसे पता चल गया कि मेरे साथ ऐसा होने वाला है. तो it is not like that कि भाई आपको करते रहना चाहिए, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it was a very relief for us that we all, like some of the students, we did the work at our earliest only. So very little things like making index,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
was only left.
That I
Ma'am,
know.
we were just asking notebooks from Gargi and Naina.
Because they know that these girls are very particular about their work. Isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am. Ma'am, and Viresh also.
And
Viresh also. He also helped a lot.
Ma'am, my work was not complete.
but
He's lying.
What is the biggest advantage of the media, like of the internet, of the WhatsApp? The best thing about this is that you can make your groups and you can share the work. Like I could see
Ma'am,
this.
now,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, a secret can be revealed here because no one is there. So we already have made one group that title was help out, and everybody like whole class.
Ma'am, whole class was there.
Like instead of teachers, like removing teachers, all were there, and we were there asking.
Ma'am, messages were coming all day,
I know,
And
I
8
know.
after 8.
500 plus
500
messages.
plus messages all day was there.
I know.
Yes, ma'am.
I know, I know, I know. This was with all the
And all
classes,
together as for all
all
chapters.
the sections, all the sections, all the classes, 9, 10th, all the sections.
Children gone mad. Like, what is happening?
I know, beta. It is a very tough time, no tough task also. But still, chalo. Ab, देखो, I am telling you this. Class 10th, you have to be very particular about your written work. We don't know what future has for us in store because last year, this year, as exams were not there, so everything was given on the basis of the assessment that was done, right? So next year, though we are hoping ki exams ho jayenge, but still if you know things do not go right, so in that case we'll be having certain evidences with us so that we can give genuine marks. इस बार तो ऐसा हो रहा था कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मार्क्स कहाँ से दें, बच्चों ने एग्जाम्स नहीं दिए हैं, यूटीज नहीं दिए हैं। वो तो लकीली प्रोजेक्ट वर्क बच्चों ने करके रखा हुआ था, तो वो प्रोजेक्ट वर्क जो है बहुत हेल्प करा उस प्रोजेक्ट वर्क ने हमको। And I think I will be giving you people also the project work, same project work that we had last year, but different topics, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like till now also the result is not made, no, from
No,
for 10th.
result is done. Now only
I
वो
think
last
22nd June the result was released.
no result will be released in July now. Earlier it was in June, but now the date has been shifted to July.
Okay, ma'am.
It is now in July, right? Okay,
Yes.
so
Ma'am, we can do geography oral revision.
geography
so-
worksheet, beta, we will do geography worksheet. Okay, just give me a minute, huh?
Ma'am, oral.
हाँ नहीं
Oral क्या-
बेटा
Oral or written?
no I will share the screen with you, हम orally करेंगे उसको, ठीक है?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ उसके लिए आप परेशान मत हो, हम orally करेंगे। I'm just sharing the screen with you. Give me a minute, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, like the kind of relief we get on seeing our work complete and like all the notebooks are covered and all, it's very, very satisfying for us.
I know, beta. And especially when you know, see, something when you know you have to do, right? And you are already doing it, gives you a sense of relaxation, a sense of this thing that yes, you did not lag behind. Huh? You did not lag behind and you kept your work updated without being pressurized unnecessarily. वो एक दोहा होता है, नीति का दोहा है ना कि काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब पल में प्रलय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब। तो ये वाला जो कहावत है ये बच्चों के लिए बहुत सटीक होता है, हालांकि बड़ों लोग के लिए भी है, बड़ों को भी अपने काम को लिंगर ऑन नहीं करना चाहिए, जो काम है वो तभी कर लेना चाहिए। बट फिर ये होता है कई बार क्या होता है ना, हम लोग एक फ्लो में इन चीजों को नहीं पढ़ पाते, हम भूल जाते हैं, हम फिर वो पुराने वाले जो प्रैक्टिसेस होती हैं उस पे आ जाते हैं, फिर जब रैंडम से कोई एक बॉम्ब फटता है तो फिर दोबारा से वो सब चीजें याद आ जाती है।
Yes.
Yes.
ओके, कैन यू
Ma'am,
सी द
worksheet.
हाँ वही कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन?
No,
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
रुको, आई एम शेयरिंग। चल, कैन यू सी नाउ?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now we can
ma'am.
see.
one by one, all those who are there except for me, one by one, read out the question and tell the answer, right? Let us start with the last roll number. Viresh is there?
Ma'am, my roll number is last.
अच्छा, Z. ठीक है, Z. Sorry, Y. Yash. Tell. Read out.
The monazite sands in Kerala is rich in option A, thorium.
ठीक है, the correct answer is thorium. Let us check. Yes, it is thorium. Next, Viresh.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, read out beta question.
Nagarcoil and Jaisalmer are well known for effective use of. Ma'am, actually, I have not read the chapter yet properly.
Okay. Can we have Nana answering?
Yes, ma'am. Just please wait.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Yes, Puneet, tell beta.
Solar energy. Solar energy.
Beta.
Ma'am, it
Are
is
you?
wind.
It is wind energy.
Ma'am,
beta.
wind energy. Wind energy.
Yes, it is wind energy. चलो कोई नहीं. Next. Can we
Yes,
have?
ma'am, wind energy.
हाँ. Viresh, will you
Okay,
try
ma'am.
the question? Question number 3.
The pair of state which has most of the petroleum deposits. Ma'am, Assam and Gujarat.
Yes, Assam and Gujarat. Option B is the correct answer. Yes, it is correct. Can we have Puneet reading out the next question?
Yes, ma'am. One of the following is a non-metallic mineral.
Ji beta.
One of the following is a non-metallic mineral.
Answer is
Coal.
no.
Ma'am, granite.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, granite.
Correct answer. Yes, granite. Yes, granite is the correct answer. ठीक है चलो next we have Jay Gupta in the meeting. Jay,
Yes, ma'am.
read out.
Aluminium is obtained from bauxite.
Yes, aluminium is obtained from bauxite. Correct. Question number 6. Can we have Nana reading out the question?
Yes, ma'am. Uranium and thorium used for generating nuclear power are found in Aravalli ranges of Rajasthan.
Uranium and thorium used for generating nuclear power are found in Aravalli ranges of Rajasthan. Very good. This is correct. Correct. Question number 7. In question number 7, who has to answer this question?
Ma'am,
ma'am,
may
may
I?
I?
May I?
No, wait. We have Gargi in the row. Gargi has to read out.
Yes, ma'am. In which region of India tidal energy is produced? Option A, Gulf of Kutch.
Gulf of Kutch. Very good. It is Gulf of Kutch. Let us check also. Yes, Gulf of Kutch. Fine. Next, we have Devansh Verma in the row. Devansh, if you could read this
Yes, ma'am.
question, the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Tertiary coals occurs in the sea northern eastern states.
Very good. Northeastern states. Tertiary coals occur in the northeastern states. Let us check as well. Yes, it is correct. Question number 9. Aiza. Aiza,
Yes, ma'am. Mica is used in electric and electronic industries because ma'am, is it option A?
yes, option A. Because of its insulating properties and resistance to high voltage. Very good. Correct. Next, can we have next to Shashi Prabha again? Chalo, Yash Nath again. Yash Mehta again. Yash, tell the answer.
Limestone is the basic raw material of, ma'am, option B, cement industry.
Yes, limestone is the basic raw material for the cement industry. Correct. 11th. Can we have Viresh?
Ma'am, now Videsh.
Viresh. Read out, Viresh.
Ma'am, beds.
No, it is not the correct answer. Naina. Puneet, sorry, Puneet.
Yes, ma'am. Which one? 12th.
11th one. Viresh could not give the correct answer. Do you know the answer?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Can we have Yash answering it?
Ma'am, loads. Option B.
Option B, it is loads. Very good. Chalo. Question number 12. Puneet, read out.
Yes, ma'am. In which one of the following states the largest wind farm cluster is located? No, Rajasthan.
No, it is wrong. Can we have Nana answering?
Ma'am, is it Gujarat?
It is wrong. Yash.
Ma'am, is it Tamil Nadu?
Yes, Tamil Nadu is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, can we have Jay reading out the question and answering?
Yes, ma'am. Which of the following is the oldest oil producing state of India? Ma'am, is it Gujarat?
No. Nana, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, just a minute recalling it.
Huh.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, Aiza, tell if you know.
Ma'am, may I have found it.
Okay, yes, Nana, tell.
Ma'am, it is Assam.
It is Assam. Assam is the oldest oil producing state of the country. Okay. Next, we have.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next we have Gargi. Your turn.
Which one of the following non-conventional sources of energy is harnessed near Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh? Ma'am, option A, geothermal energy.
Very good. It is option A, geothermal energy. Good. Devansh Verma,
Yes, ma'am.
12th one.
In which of the following iron ore belt Udrishmukh mines are located? Ma'am, is it D?
It is option D, Bileri, Chitradurga, Chukmangalur, Tukmur belt. Okay. Fine. Next. We have, I think.
May I, sir?
Yes, Aiza. Read out.
Which one of the following states is the largest producer of copper in India? Ma'am, option C, Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, option C, Madhya Pradesh. Next. Yes, again your turn.
Which of the following is largely derived from the ocean water? Ma'am, magnesium.
Yes, option B, it is magnesium. Next, now Aiza, again you.
Yes, ma'am. The highest quality of hard coal is
Do you know?
ma'am, is it bituminous?
No. Yes, do you know?
May I?
State?
Ma'am, anthracite.
Gargi, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Anthracite is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Anthracite is the correct answer. Next, can we have Devansh reading out 19th question and answering?
Okay, ma'am. Which form of coal has a low carbon and high moisture contents and low heating capacity?
Yes.
D.
Lignite? No, it is not.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, peat.
Peat. Yes, peat is the correct answer. But 20 and 21 are not from your chapter. They are of next chapter. So we'll skip them. Question number 22. Which one of the following minerals is not obtained from the veins and lodes? Who is going to answer this question? Gargi.
Ma'am, is it gypsum?
Yes, it is gypsum.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Which one of the following non-conventional? Okay, Jay has to read. Jay, read out and tell the answer.
Which one of the following non-conventional sources of energy is harnessed in the Paravali Valley near Manikarnika in Himachal Pradesh?
It is Parvati Valley near Manikaran in Himachal.
Geothermal energy.
Which is the correct answer, beta?
Geothermal energy.
It is geothermal, B option. Very good. It is correct. Okay. Question number 24. Who will tell?
Ma'am,
Naina will tell. Yes, Naina.
so which one of the following is an essential feature of mica? Ma'am, it is a metallic mineral made up of series of plates.
ठीक है, और बताओ.
There are two answers to this.
नहीं, only one answer is there, but
Ma'am,
are you
the
sure
first
that?
one is wrong.
हाँ. Which should be the
Can be
correct answer?
black, green, red, yellow, or brown.
B.
It can be clear, black, green, yellow, red, and red or brown. Very good. Yes, this is the correct answer. Question number 25. Viresh, your chance.
Which one of the following features is not true about copper? Ma'am, B. Ma'am, it's true.
Are you sure B is the correct option?
Ma'am, I said it's true.
It's true. Which is not true.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, let him
May
talk.
I?
Viresh.
Ma'am,
Wait.
A.
You lose on this. Okay, can we have Devansh answering?
Ma'am, it is C.
How many of you say it is C? Yash?
Ma'am, it is C.
Yash?
Yes, ma'am. C.
Gargi?
Ma'am, C.
Yes. It is a ferrous ore. This is not true about copper, Viresh. Okay? Well done. Well done.
Okay,
Now these two questions, you do them in the notebook in front of tin, write what it is, like, or you categorize them into metallic, non-metallic, ferrous and non-ferrous, and share it on the group, class group, right?
Ma'am, rough notebook.
हाँ, rough notebook में कर लो, fair में मत करो, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
first categorize one we have to do, or the second one also?
Both the categorization you have to do.
Ma'am, done.
Share it on the class group.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. I'm checking. 10C. Okay. ठीक है. It is correct. Very good. Yes.
I'm done.
Okay, send it on the group. I'm checking. Fine. ठीक है. Good. Class, anything in this chapter not clear or understood to you people?
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay. Going through it. ठीक है. हाँ, good. Done, no? Keep sending your work.
Ma'am, I have also sent it.
हाँ बेटा वही देख रहे हैं. Fine. Four more are left. What about Aiza? अच्छा.
Ma'am sent.
You have sent? अच्छा ठीक है. And who else is left? 1, 2. Puneet is also left. Beta, some time is left. If you people are done with this, shall we do a map exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Chalo.
Yes.
ma'am.
Chalo, ठीक है. Let us go for the map. पुनीत ये आप क्या भेज रहे हो जिज्ञासा का काम? पुनीत, लेटर राइटिंग, डिटरमाइनर्स, मॉडल्स हैं, मोडाल्स. पुनीत, डिलीट करो भाई.
Ma'am, he is not in the meeting.
See what has he sent?
Yes, ma'am.
हम गलत जगह फॉरवर्ड हो गया.
कितना पैनिक हो आप लोग, है कितना पैनिक हो. मैं वो सोचू जिज्ञासा की राइटिंग कैसे आ गई यहाँ पे. जिज्ञासा तो क्लास में भी नहीं है आज.
And ma'am, it's written by Puneet.
This is what no. And it is written forwarded also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but confusion, memory is full and all that.
चलो कोई नहीं, can't help it.
Ma'am,
Can you see the? Yes, beta.
ma'am, do we will not get any project this time?
Beta, of course we have a project. I'll be sharing it with you as soon as I get instructions from principal sir.
Group project.
There is a project. Of course you have a project. You have to make it both in soft and hard. Last time I took it only in soft copy, but this time hard copy and soft copy both you have to prepare. It will be the same. If you remember class 9th we did a project.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be similar to that only, but last time you did not had any paperwork in that, but this time you will be doing it in paper as well as on the PPT also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it will be a group project.
It will be a group project, but then वही है, individually सबको करना होगा. जैसे 5 students, 5 or 6 will be there in the group, so one will be responsible for any one thing. सारा का सारा burden एक ही पे नहीं डालेंगे हम, और फिर it has to be subject wise, ठीक है? जैसे आपने last time exactly वैसे ही करना है जैसे हमने last time करा था, but वो सर बताएंगे कि states वगैरह क्या हैं क्या नहीं है, ठीक है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो टेस्टिंग होने वाला है, बस आप लोग कर लीजिएगा उसको. लास्ट टाइम जो थोड़ा बहुत लूप होल्स रह गए थे, कुछ का तो प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छा था लास्ट टाइम, कुछ के थोड़े से ड्रॉबैक्स रह गए थे, तो इस बार हम वैसा नहीं करेंगे, उस बार हम उसको कवर कर लेंगे, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो,
And
लास्ट
the
टाइम
groups
बच्चों
will
ने
be roll
पार्टिसिपेट,
number wise only.
इट विल बी रोल नंबर वाइज बेटा, क्योंकि वो सीबीएसई कहती है रोल नंबर वाइज ज्यादा बेटर रहता है ना?
Ma'am, but like
उसमें
in our roll numbers also some students are like they don't bother at all.
No, so if they will not bother, like last time, every group had given me the feedback that those who participated, those who did not participate. So those who participated, I gave them marks looking at what work they have done, and those who did not participate, 0 was given to them. I though did not give them any marks. Truly speaking, I don't go for, see, why to give benefit of something that only 2 or 3 people have done? Why others should be benefited by that? So I always follow this policy. I don't give grace marks to anybody for anything, right? And this time also, for attendance you have marks. For attendance you have marks. So
Yes,
those who are attending religiously, those who are attending, they will be getting marks. Those who will not, they will not get. Very simple. Since this notice was posted on the class groups, since then many of the students are coming up, but then what they are doing, junior classes, I am telling you, they are coming, they are entering the meeting and they are keeping their mic mute and they are sleeping, not bothered whether to answer or not. Teacher is shouting, she's calling out the name.
Ma'am,
Sir is,
my brother do so.
your brother is in the same school?
Yes, ma'am.
Which class?
Ma'am, 7th.
Which section?
I think B.
What is his name?
Shreyash Mehta.
Shreyash? He's your
Yes,
brother?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have told me. I'll keep a track on it. Like I get a combined class of 7th. No, I take geography with them. So,
Ma'am,
though
my father used to ask him to open his video or audio and ask questions, but he used to say that I used to be shy. That's why I'm not giving answer.
and moreover 3 sections are there, no, the children, they feel little awkward in asking anything, because they know that like class 7C which is there, they are a group of students, those who are very aware kind of ones. So what do they do? If a person asks something, so they will start saying, अच्छा तुझे ये नहीं पता है, ma'am this is not done, ma'am this you did in the previous class, ma'am you told us this. तो मैं उनसे कहती हूँ बेटा कोई बात नहीं, it is just a recapitulation, कुछ याद रखते हैं कुछ नहीं रखते, तो वो थोड़ा सा ना they feel so this thing कि इस उस वजह से many students they shy away, they don't ask anything, they personally they message me कि मैम हमें ये समझ नहीं आया, इसको बता दो, क्लास में हमने नहीं पूछा, this is the reason. तो I get them, but then ठीक है, आप बोलोगे तभी आपका shyness भी खत्म होगा, है कि नहीं? नहीं बोलेंगे तो
Yes, ma'am. Actually, he is also new to the school. School this year he has joined. That's
Okay.
why.
That is why.
I'm
चलो,
saying that was for me the last year.
I know. Last year you hardly had attended the classes, no? चलो
Ma'am,